Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious ham, perfect for Thanksgiving. If you want to know how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 275 degrees. This is 7 pounds and you cook it from 12 to 15 minutes per pound. To prepare the ham, I'm going to coat it with some butter. It makes it much easier if your butter is room temperature. Mine is still a little bit cold. Just like this. And once it's coated, we're gonna add pineapple slices. We're gonna stick some toothpicks so that they can hold the pineapples. Just like that. And now we're gonna spread the juice from the pineapples all over the ham. We cover it up with foil. Make sure not to poke holes on the foil with your toothpick. And now it's time to put it in the oven. While the ham is cooking, I set my pan on low heat and we're gonna prepare the ham glaze. This is the one that came with the ham and it's brown sugar based. And we're gonna add 1/4 cup of the juice from the pineapple slices. We're gonna stir it constantly until the mixture comes to a boil. It's been about 3 minutes and it's now boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat and set it to the side. It's been about 90 minutes and we're gonna check on our ham. Okay, gonna open it up. We're gonna add some of the juice on top. Just like that. It's a little tricky because my tray is a bit small. And my spoon doesn't fit. Now I'm gonna glaze it with the brown sugar glaze. Make sure to glaze the whole thing. It's now ready to go back into the oven, but we're gonna increase the heat to 425 degrees. We're gonna cook uncovered for another 10 minutes. It's actually been 15 minutes and our ham is now ready. And there you have it, delicious ham glazed with pineapple. Okay guys, my favorite part. This ham is so full of flavor, delicious, the pineapple. Cheers. So amazing. And we usually pair it up with some mashed potatoes, corn, dinner rolls. Oh, honestly, best Thanksgiving dinner. Definitely need to make it. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.